Sobrang daming normal na tao at mga negosyante ang kumikita dahil sa Facebook ads. I will show you 2 ways on how to use Facebook ads para mag-benefit ka sa platform. Pero unahan ko na kayo, 95% of people using Facebook ads are failing because most of them don't know what they're doing. At saka, kung ganun siya kadali, edi sana lahat mayaman na ngayon. Pero it's supposed to be that way because extraordinary results requires extraordinary efforts din. Hindi pwedeng nakaupo ka lang tapos umaasa ka sa swerte. Yung pinaka-successful na mga tao, sila din yung grabe effort nung nagsisimula sila. So here are the 2 ways. First, kung businessman ka or businesswoman ka, you can use Facebook ads to advertise or promote your products and services. Because when you are able to find winning campaigns, you can easily convert yung 1 peso to 2 pesos or 1 peso to 10 pesos. Depende sa kung gaano ka kagaling. Second is by learning the skill of Facebook advertising and offering it as services dun sa mga business owners. A lot of them don't have the time and the experience and the capacity to run the ads themselves. Kaya naghahanap talaga sila ng someone na pwedeng gawin yun para sa kanila. And you can be that someone. The salary ranges from 20,000 up to 100,000 depending dun sa skill level mo. Kaya totoong